I've got the suspect in my sights. He's heading west on the property. I've got him. Hey guys, welcome back to Hemlock Ridge. I am checking out the GOYOJO night vision goggle tonight. This is a civilian grade night vision goggle that is approaching military quality. And this is really, really awesome. I'm out here in the middle of the woods. It is the middle of January, absolutely freezing tonight, really windy. And just to show you how dark it is, I'm going to go ahead and kill the lights here and you'll see that you cannot see anything. So this is really, really cool. This little device right here, GOYOJO, this is the GNG2K. It's got 2K night vision. It's got infrared, 4x zoom, adjustable optics. You can actually get two of these, turn them into night vision binoculars. And what's really cool is there is different colors. You can look at normal, black and white, green, or white phosphorus. And this is really, really impressive because I am able to see perfectly with no light here. And I am so far away from any town that there is absolutely zero light pollution and no moon tonight because it is cloudy and snow flurrying out. And this night goggle is absolutely incredible. I was out walking around really hoping I'd find some wildlife, but I think it was just too cold and too much snow, and I couldn't find any wildlife out, no deer bedded down or anything else stirring in the cold winter night. It is interesting, the images were a lot brighter in the viewfinder than they actually were on the recording, so there might be some optimization happening in the recording. But still, you can see pretty good. You know, I was down where the deer often bed down, nothing down there, looking down into the creek, and I could actually see from high on this bluff down into the creek pretty well. And again, absolute pure darkness, no light whatsoever. And then this is pretty neat. You know, I'm actually adjusting the infrared here, so you can see if I turn the infrared on, I can see the foreground. If I turn the infrared off, I can see the background. So pretty neat how you can adjust that as well too. And this is actually the cabin in normal mode. And you can see that this does actually have color. So you can see the colored lights on the cabin. Let's go ahead and we'll check out some of the specs and show you what's included. So it's a lot warmer in here and a good place to talk a little bit more about some of the specs with this GOYOJO night vision monocular. I'm very impressed with this unit. This is really, you're not going to find a better value to get night vision affordably. And honestly, this is a consumer grade night vision product that I think is probably approaching military grade quality. Now, whether you want to use this for outdoor exploration, wildlife observation, nighttime navigation, patrolling, search and rescue operations, tactical training, nighttime paintball, or just security and surveillance tasks, this is a really good unit. So let's talk about some of the specs. This has a 45-degree field of vision. It can actually work or detect objects up to 300 meters away. It has 2K resolution, so really high quality resolution. 4x digital zoom, and one of the great things is this sensor can work in absolutely no light whatsoever. Even with the infrared turned off, it can still detect things in no light. But if you do turn the infrared on, it has actually 3 levels of infrared to basically brighten whatever objects that you're looking at in your field of vision. The frame rate is also very smooth. It's 60 hertz smooth frame rate imaging. And it also has audio, which I didn't even realize until I watched some of the videos later on, is that it's actually detecting audio in addition to the night vision video that you're recording. As far as getting photos off of this and videos off of this, super easy. You can take out the included SD card and put it in an SD card reader. You can hook up a USB cable and it has Wi-Fi, onboard Wi-Fi. So you can download an app, and right from that app, you can play back and watch your videos and photos, but also download them through the app as well. So it's possible to just wirelessly transfer any of the videos or images that you're taking right off of this device. I really don't think you can find a better deal, a better value on a night vision apparatus than this device right here. The quality is fantastic, and it is really not that expensive. I will put a link in the description if you want to check it out. But let's go ahead and see what's inside the box. So I'll show you guys what comes with this unit and what is in the box. It's packaged up pretty nicely here. This is a nice, looks like some kind of velvet carrying case so it doesn't get scratched. And obviously this is the main unit here, which again can be, if you buy two of these, there's actually a bracket which will allow you to connect both of them together and actually turn these into binoculars instead of monocular. And let's go ahead and open up the rest of the things that are in here. So there are a lot of accessories that come in the box with the GOYOJO night vision monocular. Obviously you have the device itself. You've got a lens cloth so you can clean the lens without scratching it. Instructions here, 2 rechargeable batteries, and I'm impressed they give you a number of ways to recharge it. And again, you can recharge it when the battery is in here just by plugging the USB into this. They give you a power adapter, also a separate battery charger that's USB powered. If you want to go ahead and use that battery charger, you can do that as well too. And then you've got a number of brackets in here as well. So this is a helmet mount. So if you have a tactical helmet, this goes on the helmet and the monocular attaches and you can just flip it right down, which is really nice when you want to use it, and then flip it up out of the way when you're not going to use it. And there's a number of different adapters as well. If you're going to turn this into binoculars, purchase 2 of these units and have full night vision binoculars, you have the adapters where you can connect the 2 monoculars together and turn them into a pair, which is really, really cool. One thing I want to point out as well, which I really appreciate, is obviously you can actually focus the monocular right here on the lens, but the eyepiece can be focused as well too. So if you wear glasses, if you're nearsighted or farsighted, you can actually turn this, adjust it, and get clarity inside of the eyepiece, and then obviously focus on your target through the sensor on the end as well too. So really they've thought of a lot of things here, and it is definitely pretty user-friendly and easy to use. It does come right in the box too, I should mention, with an SD card. So the SD card is installed in there. I believe it's a 16 gig SD card. You've got your USB-C port there, where again you can use that to charge the unit if the battery's in there, or also to transfer videos and photos from the unit. And the battery just goes right in this little slot right there. Very easy. But you really don't even need to take that out, because you can just charge this by plugging it into USB-C. And then your controls are right here as well too. So you've got power, your infrared settings, and so you can choose from, again, no infrared, and then 3 levels of infrared when it's turned on. This is also how you change the color. So if you want night vision green, if you want white phosphor, if you want black and white, or you want color, you can choose the actual recording and colors within the eyepiece as well too. And then lastly, you've got your zoom right here. And again, it's got 4x zoom, so you can go from no zoom to 4x zoom as well too. So that's really it. Pretty simple, works great. And that is the GOYOJO GNG2K night vision monocular. So all in all, it's a pretty cool unit. Really nice and compact. I mean, just throw it in the center console of your truck. You've got it with you. You need it at night. Could be fun again for wildlife exploration. Dog runs away and you're looking for it. A lot of neat uses for this when you're really off grid and you're in an area that's very, very dark at night. So that is the GOYOJO GNG2K night vision monocular. And hopefully you find these reviews helpful. I like to showcase lots of cool tech that you can play around with off-grid that might be helpful off-grid, or just fun if you're an outdoors person and you like the great outdoors. So again, I'll put the link to this device in the description. I'll also link it in the comments so you can find it quickly if you'd like to learn more or check it out for yourself. But if you have any ideas of something you'd like to see on the channel, please go ahead and drop it down in the comments, and maybe I'll be able to get it on. But as always, remember, life is short. Get outdoors, and we'll see you back here next time on Hemlock Ridge.